I bet you didn't know that robots are now assembling your next BMW. Let's dive into this tech marvel. Meet the newest member of BMW's assembly line, an AI-powered humanoid robot. This isn't your average machine. It's designed to perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. From welding and painting to assembly, this robot can do it all. It's revolutionizing how cars are built, making the process faster, safer, and more reliable. But what really sets it apart? Its ability to learn and adapt. This AI-driven robot can analyze and optimize its tasks, getting better and better over time. Think about it, a robot that not only works alongside humans, but continuously improves. It's not just a glimpse of the future, it's happening right now in BMW's plants. The integration of this technology signals a new era in automotive production, one where human ingenuity and robotic precision work hand in hand. Exciting times ahead, so next time you see a BMW on the road, remember, it's not just a car, it's a piece of the future.